This is the new journal I'll be using for art doodles, but the doodle is actually a beautiful line drawing of a woman inspired by Pablo Picasso, and you will be able to do it in your journal. In this video, I'll show you little artist tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way that'll help you transcribe this linear drawing by Pablo Picasso into your journal and accompany it with a beautiful quotation meant for your journey.
Here's my
onto
journal.
Your authentic life.
I put a bulldog clip to keep the page open. And here's the design I'm going to be using. Now, the process of transferring this design onto the paper is really simple. You're going to do this, right? But if you do this, you can't see it. However, here's an artist's tip. You want to center your image where it's going to be on your page. So what you'll do is you'll tape it to the back side using this cute little 1/4-inch tape because you don't want too much. Then you see it's there and it's not going to move. Then you take your light table, stick it underneath. Now this is wonderful because you can actually see your drawing. And what you're going to do is take a pencil and start tracing your image here. So that way, when you want to do your ink and wash, it's pencil. You can erase it very easily. So here you go. Here's the finished product. You can see the whole video in the link down below. Thanks for watching.